Okay, this is the fourth part of preparing for interview, and in the previous part we did some questions and answers with a virtual interviewer named Hannah. And now it's time for 15 minutes software task, because we're making... Okay, let's first see what Hannah suggests. For a 15 minutes programming session, I'll give you a task that touches on both Node.js and React TypeScript, with focus on working with databases and API development. Okay. Objective: create a simple REST API in Node.js using Express or other minimal framework that allows to perform CRUD operations. Using memory storage. Well, it says now you don't need to set up a database. Okay, I'm fine with that. Implement a proper error handler if a task is not found. Okay, understood. React TypeScript, значит, create React front end that interacts. Okay, just basic front end for this application, and I'm not sure if we're gonna be fine with 15 minutes time limit, because I need to remember you that last couple of years I've been doing Vue front end mostly, some of them Next backend, but not pure Node.js, like no low-level stuff, so that might take more time. But anyways, let's begin. How much time is it? Like 15? 10, okay. Now let's create I already have an interview folder. Let's create task folder. Inside of the task folder, let's start with the Node.js server, and we create a folder for it named Backend. Now, what do we do here? Project name Backend, version 1, description, index.js. Oh, actually, I never did this before. Okay. Let's add TypeScript first. Now we got TypeScript here, great, and also I guess we'll be using Express, so let's add Express also. npm add Express. Okay, let's fire the editor for this. Backend, yes, okay. Node.js. What is the entry point here? Index.js. I think we need something called... Oh, let's create an src folder. Inside of that, we create main.ts file. Console log. Hello world. This will be our entry point. Here we create I think we will run this like this, npx tsx src / main.ts. That's how we're gonna run this. Let's test if it's running. Hello world. Congratulations, it's working. Let's rename it to task server started. started, but it's not started because we need. Can we use Express? Import Express from Express. Okay. I'm not gonna be using ChatGPT directly, but I insist on using Copilot here because if someone is not alright with using Copilot, then I don't want to work for such a company because, you know, yeah, I rely on the thing now because it's like Google but much faster, and it allows me not to make stupid mistakes, and it allows me to keep my head relatively clear for structure of the project rather than remember syntax. So I'm all pro, okay? I'm all pro Copilot, and I'm all for it. So if they don't want me to use Copilot, so just fuck them, okay? Fuck them. And now already we have an arrow indicating that we need also types. Why? We need types for Express also, and maybe that's not the problem. Maybe the problem is in that we need test config file. All right, that fixed it. Okay. Now I'm gonna mimic the process that I usually do. I'm not gonna pretend I'm not using artificial intelligence. I'm using it. Okay, so I'm gonna go like I do every day. I'll take the task here. Here's some specific requirements. I just copy this here, like this. I copy it here, and here we go. Yeah. First of all, let's take a break here and create a types folder inside of that. Maybe our project is pretty small for the moment, so we just create a types file. Okay. Inside of the file, we create a to-do type. Export type to-do means ID text done. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. In this, okay. I also just for the fun of it, I will create dbts file, and there will be no database per se. There will be just export array, export const tasks for the moment to do. This is our storage, okay? It just exports the list of tasks here. Import tasks from DB. Yeah, I know we're like short on time, but I want to export. I don't want to export tasks here. I want it to be a service, so I'm gonna be function async function. Well, okay. Yellow tasks. Add task. Okay. Update task. Great. Delete tasks. That's all we need. Now export. Like for services, just to be here, like you open the file and you see all the function that the service provides. So here's the service. Now, yo, maybe, you know what? Maybe. Yeah, okay, whatever. Now we have this service, okay? This one. It's kind of how it works here. And also included here to make Copilot more responsive. Yeah, why are you doing why am I doing this? Const tasks row now get task list yellow tasks. This is here temporary, okay? This is not documentation. This is just what I do to make Copilot more smart, because usually it takes some time to import all the necessary stuff, but if you do it like that, it knows right away. And actually, in cursor editor, you can arrange these helpers into .cursor rules file. So you don't have to lead her to the main file. Okay. Now get all tasks. Now we're gonna yeah, what that does. Yeah, I'm not sure how this works actually. I think I got an answer from yesterday how that supposed to look with basic yeah. Yeah, that's how it should look. What does send do? Just send response. JSON just sends body in JSON format. But how do you check the method here? Okay, maybe this third parameter should okay, get. Okay, you see. Okay. Post here. You know what? Let's first let's test. Okay. Less than 300. Let's make it 318. Okay, this is our server that should serve one function. Okay, get tasks. Compare, run, serve. I'm sorry for that big delay part. I think I was thinking about something else. Right. Copy. Yeah, cannot get here, but can we get here? Okay. Yeah, that's you know what I don't like? I wanna return it like this. Tasks. Ah. Yeah, like this. Shit. Ah, it's not live. Restart. Yeah, that's the way I like it. So, for the sake of testing, let's first populate the table with some data. Okay, there should be one task here. Okay, two tasks. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Restarting. Hey, what's wrong with you? Get my tasks. Get my tasks. I need my tasks, man. Why don't you give me my tasks? Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening there because get all tasks, return tasks, and initialization. This all should work fine. It should return a couple of tasks here, but it just does not. Okay, let's debug the issue then. What do we have here? When someone asks tasks. Bam. Yeah. I guess it's just a cache problem then. I'm just is it does it work like that? Yeah, I guess we have to ask GPT one time for this. Using Express. Why we don't use ChatGPT? We can use chat here. How do you call it? Add disable cache headers to all the following, to all the responses. Yeah, accept. Let's do that. Let's see what's happening. Okay. All requests tasks, headers, cache control, no store, keep alive. Yeah, I don't get it. Do I have to use that statement also? Does it help somehow? I don't think it does. I'm not sure what it does. But maybe, just maybe, I need to add status here. Okay. 200. Like, everything is good, man. Everything is fine, man. Yeah, still nothing. How can that be? Tasks promise. It returns a promise, maybe. Or should I wait it then? Yeah, I did them these promises to emulate the real situation, like to make them not static functions but asynchronous functions. Yeah, finally it works. Great. Now we can't get a list of them. We need to not implemented. Yeah, right. Post. We need to add one task. So what do? Okay, you know what? Fuck the time limit. I want to install Node here. For some reason. It's not required though. And we have a limit, okay. We won't. But request. We need to get data from body, right? Like this. But we get this is just an example. We get real fields. Text done, rect body. And yeah, const new task, new to do raw now. Oh, I like that. But firstly, we need to. Yeah, it's not your business to make IDs, okay? It's services business. So here's add task, but exclude task. Look at the ID. New let's make it like that. New to do. Also wait a task text down. How'd you like that, huh? Done. How can we be sure that done is? I guess we need some validation after all, but it kind of bothers me. So npm add zod. I need to add zod here. Okay. Types. Export zod to do equals the object. Const. Import z from zod. Right. And this one we make infer. Right. And let's make this optional. Let's make it optional, right? Task. Validated task равно zod to do parse task. Let's make it save parse, okay? Save parse task. Valid. If not valid success, yeah, right. But if const new partial task validator, yeah, great. I'm loving it. Let's not check how database behaves, alright? Because it's kind of simple. Unsafe task. Alright. So we implemented the add-in, okay? Let's test it. Let's test it. Alright, how to test it? We go I need Postman for that. I need a Postman for that. Do you have a Postman? I got a bad idea. I have Postman installed right now, but here are types, all right. Yeah, even better. I got this one. I got this one, and I just said to how do you say it? Well, chat. Please write bash command using get to test at task method. Current file is added already. Tick tick tick. We'll copy this. Another terminal. We add here. We'll create we'll create a file here called tests sh. Chmod plus x тест. Run the test. Записан студент. Sure. What? Is it running? Тест. Let's test it. Записан студа. Какой студа? What do you mean? What do you mean? Save to stуда. Just output it, okay? Okay. It returns simple output. Doesn't return anything. Okay, if we test another call to using get method and nobody to get a list of tasks and display them. Okay. Now I see how to make it not verbose that much. Quiet. How we call it? Minus Q. Yeah, right. Minus Q. Make it quiet and also display HTTP code. Okay, we got here. Create. Get list. Okay, it's good enough. So we have a kind of test file. Let's run it. I'm procrastinating a bit. Now, what the hell? This doesn't work. New lines. Okay, maybe just like that. Okay, now sort of a test we have. Okay. Now let's continue. We got getting the list, get adding new item to the list. How about updating? Update the task. Delete the task. Okay, how did it do? Okay, it got like this number params ID. Okay, that's great. That's great. Is it running? Yes, it is. Now we're gonna run the whole test suite. Not found. That's a cool story. Not found. Update not found. Why is it not found? I wonder. Let's focus on debugging then. When delete task. It's because how this service works. If it is not okay, find index C1. Okay, first let's check if it's a number, right? Oh, we also can debug this using the proper way, right? People love that. Let's run new. What's your problem? JavaScript debug terminal. Let's run it from debug terminal. We set a. Surf. Okay, we set up a stop point here, and let's run a test. Oh, actually, yeah, get testing delete, right? Like now our test is testing delete. Yeah, right? It goes okay, ID is type of ID, it is number, alright. Step deleted task. Oh, actually delete works, and then again, what doesn't work? Delete works. Okay, it goes to the end. Update doesn't work, maybe, right? Let's try update here. Exit 0. And we set our breakpoint to update. I don't know, where is it? Put, alright. Update. Not found. Tasks ID. Tasks ID. Update. Not found. Method. I think we missing method here. No test. Alright, method. Oh no. Put. Нельзя использовать postdata с метод. Когда предполагает данные в параметрах body data and body file. Right, maybe. Maybe this way, maybe that way. Fix this to use put method. Accept. Yeah, now it works. And yeah. The problem was with our test script, because you have to use right tools for the job, and I decided that I just quickly make some tests, and also that reminds me that we have one particular method to implement. Get one ID number, alright, get one. And now we need get one. Great. And the test for it. Get doesn't work. I have to restart this. Right. Maybe this time it will work. Yeah, I think all of it works now. Let's take a look now at the timer. Actually, the backend part alone took us like 45 minutes, I guess. So, in terms of interview, we did fail, but it was intended because I remind you that my Node.js and React, my Node.js and React skills are really rusty because I haven't done it in a while. And the purpose of all this is to remember the stack and to train my English descriptions of what I am doing. So I guess the next part will be the React application that talks to this service.